Thuja occidentalis. It is belongs to gymnosperms and cupressaceae family. It is a very evergreen plants and it is originated from the North America. It is native in the European tree with the maximum heights of 15 to 20 meters. So that it is a coniferous pyramidal features and with a flattened branch and twigs in one plane and a small scale like leaves, so that leaves are green with lower side showing a bright green where racines glands also present in the lower side. So 1 to 2 meters of long green and brown coniferous pain seeds are present. So the plants used for the many medicinal purpose and mainly the plant used for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, and also it used for the carcinogenic cancer treatment, especially it is uterine cancer treatment, and the plant used for the immunostimulator and immunomodulator means it is plant chemicals stimulate our body cells to cure the different diseases. So the many phytochemical constituents present in these plants. So the plant main compounds are essential oils and coumarins and flavonoids. So essential oils are campaigns, limonin and myrcene, alpha terpinolene and thuzanin and alpha thuzin and cumaric acids, cumaric acid and umbelliferin and catechin, and flavonoids are camphorol and myrcene and phycocyanthin B3, quercetin, quercetinol and tannic acid. The plant also called Thuja polysaccharides and also present in 4% of proteins of for dry drug. So the essential oil of the fresh leaves related to monoterpenes fractions, so containing a 68% of thuzin and 8% of isothuzin and 8% of phencynin and 5% of sorbin and 2% of alpha phenin, and mainly monoterpenes are present. Other monoterpenes namely is different types of virginolin, arginine and myrcene, camphorine also present. So that the plant are mainly is used for the different types of mainly purpose of the essential oils. So